When we think about the Polytechnic campus, it's open, it's accessible, and engages with its community. Students learn in different ways, learning by doing, discovery. Dreamscape Learn allows you to take it to the next level.
At the Poly campus, we're doing a bit more of a hybrid approach. So we're trying to figure out how we combine both the virtual reality labs with Dreamscape, but then also how we could bring in some of the wet labs.
We think about it as a living laboratory, an integrated environment where teaching and learning blends into the research space. But what matters is, do the students learn more? And the data shows that it does do that. It promotes learning at greater depth. That's what the campus is about. And when we see that happen, we know this is working.
We hope to not only use the pod just for courseware, but to figure out allowing guests in, families in, visitors, all sorts of people to see the cool work that we're doing at the Poly campus.
Our partners in the East Valley can be part of our curriculum. They can drive projects, they can be in the classroom working with us, and that's a major focus.
It's exciting to see how Professor Gillespie is bringing this to life at the Poly campus, giving faculty that autonomy to bring it to life in a way that they know their students will be most successful at, and also allowing students to embrace the technologies that they're growing up using is a really cool blend, and I think we'll see some fun results from that.
What Adriana is demonstrating is what the future will look like. It will be this blend, physical environment, the making, building, breaking, teaming, but then also the way that you bring digital tools to augment what you do. That's the future, and that's the future that is being built at Poly. Adriana is showing us the way.
We've done extensive research on this. Students do better. They perform in the class regardless of their demographics. So every single population is doing better. We're seeing just really impressive results on how students perform in the class, how they remember these things years later. It's just creating a lasting memory that we haven't seen in the past in, historical STEM classes.
The future will be one of integration with the community. These tools are fantastic, but only when they're integrated in really creative ways. Adriana is doing that, but many other faculty as well.